Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your InstaPage account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your InstaPage account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put an admin in your InstaPage account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of VAs or assistants, and maybe you want to put one in as a team member to manage your InstaPage landing pages. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my InstaPage account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up an admin in your InstaPage, you're going to look up here on personal workspace and click on this downward arrow. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on workspace settings. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu here on the left. And in order to add an admin into your InstaPage, click on team members. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the admins and team members you put in your InstaPage. You can see it's just me right here. However, in order to add one, you want to go ahead and click on add team member here on the top right. Okay, so once you do that, InstaPage will ask for that person's email. You need to use their correct email because they will receive an invitation. After that, you need to choose what type of admin access they're going to have. Are they going to be a viewer so they can come in and review your landing pages? Will they be an editor so they can go ahead and create, organize, and edit landing pages? Or will they be a manager? So basically, they're going to have the same access as you, except for the billing, workspaces, and they cannot invite other managers. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add an admin editor, and I'm going to type in this email and then click on invite. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the invitation is pending for that admin. So they're going to need to go into their email and accept the invitation. Once they accept the invitation, they will be added as an admin editor into my InstaPage account, and they'll have access that we have given them here in the permission section. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your InstaPage account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.